Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Vibes. Today's all about taking your car from ordinary to extraordinary. I'm sharing 7 car gadgets that can level up your driving experience. Whether you're a road trip warrior, a daily commuter, or just someone who loves a bit of tech in their ride. Let's dive in and explore how these awesome gadgets can make your time behind the wheel safer, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. Let's kick things off with gadget number 1, the smart heads-up display. Forget looking down at your phone or the dashboard every time you need to check your speed or navigation. A heads-up display projects essential driving info right onto your windshield or a small screen on your dashboard. It's like having a futuristic car at your fingertips. This not only looks cool, but it also keeps your eyes on the road, making driving safer and more convenient. Coming in at number 2, a high-quality dash cam. Accidents happen, and sometimes it's tough to prove what really went down. A dash cam records everything in front of you, giving you peace of mind in case of an accident, insurance claim, or even a hit and run. Some models even have features like night vision, motion detection, and parking mode, so your car's protected even when you're not around. Number 3 is a must for music lovers, a Bluetooth adapter. If your car doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, this little gadget lets you stream music, make hands-free calls, and even control your playlist straight from your phone. It's a simple upgrade that makes your car feel brand new, and it keeps those road trip vibes flowing. 4th on our list, a tire pressure monitoring system. Low tire pressure can mess with your fuel efficiency, affect your handling, and even cause dangerous blowouts. A portable monitoring system gives you real-time updates on your tire pressure, helping you stay safe and avoid costly repairs. Many systems connect to your phone so you can get alerts anytime, anywhere. Gadget number 5, a portable vacuum cleaner. We all know how quickly cars can turn into mobile snack bars and dirt magnets. A compact vacuum lets you clean up crumbs, sand, and pet hair in minutes. Some even come with different attachments for hard-to-reach places, so you can keep your car spotless without heading to a car wash. Coming in at number 6, a magnetic phone holder. Unlike traditional mounts, a magnetic holder makes it super easy to attach and detach your phone with one hand. Perfect for quick stops, deliveries, or even just everyday driving. It keeps your phone at eye level so you can follow GPS directions safely, and it's super convenient for switching songs or answering calls without fumbling around. Last, but definitely not least, gadget number 7, a solar-powered battery maintainer. If you're not driving every day, your battery can lose its charge. This clever gadget uses solar power to keep your car battery topped up, so you don't get that dreaded click when you turn the key. It's eco-friendly, easy to install, and perfect for anyone who doesn't want to deal with a dead battery again. Let's do a quick recap of these awesome gadgets that can take your ride to the next level. First, the smart heads-up display. Second, a high-quality dash cam. Third, a Bluetooth adapter. Fourth, a tire pressure monitoring system. Fifth, a portable vacuum cleaner. Sixth, a magnetic phone holder. And 7th, a solar-powered battery maintainer. Each of these gadgets adds a layer of safety, convenience, or pure enjoyment to your drive. Which one of these gadgets do you already use? And which ones are you adding to your wish list? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how you're upgrading your car game. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Viral Vibes for more tips, reviews, and the best gear to make your life easier and more exciting. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.